Ocean Ramsey is a marine biologist, conservationist, and shark expert who is known for her efforts to promote shark conservation and education about these apex predators. If you are in a situation where you are at risk of a shark attack, Ocean Ramsey's knowledge of shark behavior and experience with these animals could help you avoid an attack. She is great at teaching you about what to do, and what not to do, if you encounter a shark in the water, as well as how to read the signs of a potentially dangerous situation. On the other hand, this does not mean you should actively go looking for sharks to swim with, just to try it out. Ocean Ramsey is also an expert in ocean conservation and marine biology, which means she could help you understand how to navigate different ocean environments safely. For example, she could advise you on how to avoid dangerous currents or other hazards in the water. Finally, Ocean Ramsey is an advocate for ocean conservation, which means she is dedicated to protecting marine ecosystems and the creatures that live in them. By promoting sustainable practices and education about ocean conservation, she could help create a safer environment for people and marine life alike.